Hello and namaste everyone. How have you been? It's been a while since I had uploaded a new video on the channel due to several different XYZ reasons and factors. I had even removed a few videos which might actually come back after some analysis about them, whether I should put them or not because of the sensitivity of the content in the videos. So anyway, this is like a new beginning that videos will be coming back on the channel, and thank you so much for all those subscribers who are still here on the channel. Almost 600 subscribers are there on the channel, even though the channel was inactive for a while. Thank you so much for hanging on. So let us uh, do this beginning with the most important thing to do, that is the meditation. So this video is about meditation, a practice that we must do every single day, and even I have been doing it for almost a year now, since 2023. It took quite a long time for me to become regular with meditation. It takes time for good habits to form. So this meditation video is about Anapanasati meditation. So we just simply sit straight, be comfortable. If you're sitting on the floor, sit crossed leg position, and you can interlock your fingers like this and place them on your lap. Remove spectacles, close your eyes, have your back straight, neck straight, face forward, and simply observe your breath. If any thoughts come to your mind, gently come back to your breath. Be an observer, observe your breath. No, that's the practice. We just have to keep on practicing that. Even an expert may get a lot of thoughts. This is like the number one experience that people come across, that they are having a lot of thoughts during meditation. It's just that you are now observing the activity of your mind. You just observe the breath. Sometimes you get lost with thoughts, so you may just want to enjoy your thoughts. Just enjoy observing your thoughts. You will realize that the thoughts are coming and going. Even the breath is coming and going. Breath is coming and going, inhalation and exhalation. Similarly, even the thoughts are coming and going, and your mind is just light, that you're observing the thoughts. And even the time is coming and going. Sun is coming up and going down. So in this universe, you will observe that everything is like a happening, coming and going, and you just have to be an observer in the meditation practice, a non-judgmental practitioner. You just have to observe your breath. Okay, so many different things may be happening, but we just have to observe the breath. We need not just stop the meditation and write down the ideas or something. No need of doing any of that. We just have to sit comfortably, close the eyes, and be with the breath. So for how long, you may ask? If you're absolutely new to the word meditation, you can just start with 2 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes. or otherwise if your age is 25 years, you have to meditate for 25 minutes. If your age is 60, you have to meditate for 60 minutes. This is the minimum, and maximum you can go on meditating for 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, as long as you can sit still. So enjoy your meditation practice. Thank you so much.